In this short how-to video we teach you how to tie the sheet bend. The sheet bend is used to connect two ropes with unequal diameters together. The knot has a tendency to become undone when not under continuous pressure. First we make a bight in one of the two ropes. Take the working end of the second rope and feed it through the bight. Now put the bend over top of the working end of the second line as shown. Take the working end of the second line and go underneath the standing part. Set and dress the knot and there you have your sheet bend. Next we show you again how to tie the sheet bend in clear step-by-step pictures. If you have two ropes of different diameter that need to be tied together temporarily, you can use the sheet bend. First you form a bight. Next you take the second rope and feed it through the bight. Take the working end of the second rope and go underneath the neck of the bight. Continue by taking this working end and feed it underneath the standing part as shown. Set and dress the knot. That's it for the sheet bend. Feel free to leave a comment and make sure to give us a thumbs up as a thank you.